The more efficient your air conditioner is, the more money you'll save on energy bills. Air conditioner efficiency is measured by its SEER rating. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. So when shopping for a new air conditioner, the SEER rating is very important. Here's why. Think about a SEER rating like the gas mileage you get in your car. The higher the miles per gallon, the more efficient your car is, right? Well, the higher the SEER rating on an air conditioner, the more efficient it is to operate. You could see over time, the savings really add up. Here's something cool about a SEER rating. It allows you to compare one AC to another, because a SEER rating of 21 on one brand is the same as a SEER rating of 21 on all other brands. If you'd like more information about SEER ratings and which SEER is right for you, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.